Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you one-click magic vector art cartoon effect Photoshop action. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then open your image. Which image do you want to apply this one-click magic vector art cartoon effects Photoshop actions? This is really a realistic vector art cartoon effect Photoshop actions. So don't miss this vector art cartoon effects Photoshop actions. I open these two images, then click on the open. Now I am going to apply on this image vector art cartoon effects Photoshop actions. So we need to do now go to window menu, then click on the actions or hold press Alt and function 9. Click on the actions, then comes here actions dialog box, then here click on this icon and go to the load actions and select your downloaded vector cartoon effects Photoshop actions. These Photoshop actions I will provide for everyone full free. So go to this video description box and go to the download page to download this vector cartoon effects Photoshop action. After download, then select this vector cartoon effect actions, then click on the load, and you can see here the vector cartoon effect actions comes here. Select the vector art by Shazim Creations and easily just one click on the play button, and it comes image size. I set image size for high resolution, so input here wide or high quality. I set here 3000 pixels wide, then click on the OK, and it will automatically create a vector art cartoon effects. So wait sometimes until all steps are fully completed. It takes some time because I worked into the vector art cartoon effect actions many steps, so need some times. I hope you must like this vector art cartoon effect Photoshop actions. If you like this, if you like my Photoshop action, so don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. It's automatically created vector art cartoon effect. See the output of the image. Really a realistic vector art. See the output of the image. That is the before image and that is the after. And have a look, the output of the image fully converted vector art. Here color lookup, you can use any color lookup. I said 15 color lookup. You can use any of the color lookup from here. Just expand this group and below you can see color lookup 1 to 15. You can choose you can check just one click the checkbox and see the output of the image. It's just your choice which color effect do you want. Now I will apply on the second image the vector art cartoon effect actions. Just easy to use. Just, open your any image, then just one click on the play button of the Photoshop actions. Select this Photoshop actions, then just one click on the play button, and here input the resolution of the image, then click on the OK, and now wait some times to create a vector art cartoon effect. Yeah, it's completed now. Read the message, then click on the continue. Now have a look. It's really converted vector art cartoon effect. I hope you must like this Photoshop action. If you like this Photoshop action, so don't forget to share this video with your friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See the output of the image. That is the before image and that is the after image, and you will see it's really a converted vector art cartoon effect. I hope you like this vector art cartoon effect Photoshop actions. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks a million for stay with me, support me, and like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you next tutorial.